In this video, I'm going to be answering some of the most burning questions about the universe that we still haven't been able to answer. This is something that has always fascinated me, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. So let's get started. Number 10. What is the universe made of? This is one of the biggest unanswered questions in science. What is the universe made of? We know that it's composed of matter, but what is that matter made of? Mathematician Max Tegmark has proposed 4 different levels of reality, ranging from stuff we can observe and interact with to things beyond our current understanding. The first level is the physical level, which includes all of the stuff that we can observe and interact with. This includes things like atoms, photons, and other particles. The second level is the mathematical level, which Tegmark says is the world of abstractions that exist in our minds. This would include things like numbers, equations, and perhaps even entire theories. The third level is the computational level, which Tegmark describes as the world of things that can be perfectly simulated by a computer. This could include things like digital images or video games. Finally, the highest level is the ultimate level, which represents all the things that exist outside our current understanding. This could include things like quantum mechanics or the multiverse. So what is the universe actually made of? We don't know for sure, but it's likely a combination of all 4 levels. Number 9. How did the universe begin? Another big question in astronomy is how the universe began. While we don't know for sure what happened during the Big Bang, we do have some theories that help to explain this mystery. One of the most widely accepted theories is called cosmic inflation, which suggests that right after the Big Bang, there was an extremely rapid expansion of space and time. This suggests that the universe was much smaller in the past and has been growing over time, which is consistent with what we observe today. Other theories about how the universe began include quantum gravity and eternal inflation, both of which are based on different mathematical models of the Big Bang. While we don't know for sure how the universe began, these theories provide us with a better understanding of the event and help to explain the observations that we see today. Number 8. Are there other intelligent life forms in the universe? This is a question that has been asked for centuries, and one that we still don't have a definitive answer to. There are multiple ways to try to answer this question, but one of the most common is the Drake equation. The Drake equation was developed by astronomer Frank Drake in 1961, and it's used to estimate the number of intelligent civilizations in our galaxy. The equation considers various factors, such as the rate at which stars form, the fraction of stars that have planets, and the average lifespan of a civilization. It also takes into account several other variables, like how many civilizations might be trying to communicate with us. While there is no definitive answer to this question, the Drake equation provides us with a way to estimate the number of intelligent civilizations in our galaxy. Number 7. How big is the universe? This is another question that we don't have a definitive answer to, but several theories help us to understand the size of the universe. One of those theories is called the inflationary model, which suggests that the universe is infinitely large. Another theory, known as the ekpyrotic model, suggests that the universe is finite but unbounded. This means that it has no edge or boundary, but it's still limited in size. Finally, there is the holographic model, which suggests that the universe is a 3-dimensional projection of information stored on a 2-dimensional surface. While we don't know for sure how big the universe is, these theories help to provide us with an understanding of its size. Number 6. What will happen to the universe in the future? This is another topic about which we don't have a clear answer, but several hypotheses assist us in predicting the universe's future. One of these theories is called the Big Crunch, which suggests that the universe will stop expanding and eventually collapse in on itself. Another theory, known as the Big Freeze, suggests that the universe will continue to expand until all matter is diluted and dispersed, resulting in a cold and empty universe. Finally, there is the Big Rip, which suggests that the universe will continue to expand, but at an accelerated rate, eventually ripped apart by the expansion. While we don't know for sure what will happen to the universe in the future, these theories help to provide us with an understanding of its fate. Number 5. Where does dark energy come from? This is another question that we don't have a definitive answer to, but there are several theories about the origin of dark energy. One theory suggests that dark energy is an intrinsic property of space-time itself, which means that it's always existed and can never change or disappear. Another theory suggests that dark energy is a byproduct of the inflationary process, which suggests that it was created during the early stages of the universe. Finally, there is the theory that dark energy is created by a yet unknown particle or force. While we don't know for sure where dark energy comes from, these theories help to provide us with an understanding of its origin. Number 4. Why does gravity exist? Gravity is another topic on which we don't have a definitive answer, but there are several hypotheses about its origin. One theory suggests that gravity is a byproduct of the inflationary process, which suggests that it was created during the early stages of the universe. Another theory suggests that gravity is an emergent property, which means that it arises as a result of the collective behavior of particles. While we don't know for sure why gravity exists, these theories help to provide us with an understanding of its origin. Number 3. What happens when something falls into them? Black holes are regions of space-time where the gravitational field is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. When something falls into a black hole, it is thought to be compressed into a singularity, which is a point of infinite density. However, we don't really know what happens when something falls into a black hole because we can't observe it directly. Number 2. Can we travel through time? Another topic about which we don't have a clear answer is whether time travel is feasible. One theory suggests that it is not possible because traveling backwards in time would alter the past and disrupt the fabric of space-time itself. Another theory suggests that it might be possible to travel through time, but only by moving faster than the speed of light. While we don't know for sure if time travel is possible, these theories help to provide us with an understanding of its potential. Number 1. Is there a limit to how much we can know about the universe? This is another question that we don't have a definitive answer to, but there are several theories about the extent of our knowledge. One theory suggests that there is a limit to how much we can know because the universe is infinite and our minds are finite. Another theory suggests that there is no limit to how much we can know because we can always build better telescopes and create more powerful computers. While we don't know for sure how much we can ultimately know about the universe, these theories help to provide us with an understanding of its potential. These questions are just a few of the many that we still don't have answers to about the universe. However, even though we don't have all of the answers, many theories help to provide us with an understanding of its fate and its origin. While we may not know everything about the universe, there is still much to learn and discover about it. And as long as we continue to ask questions and seek new answers, we will always be one step closer to understanding the universe. So keep looking up. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about the universe, make sure to leave them in the comments below.